Math Maker, it's Allie, and today I want to walk you through using your student portal. When you first log on, you'll see your name up here, and then the word journal will be highlighted. It'll show your name here too. Right now, nothing has been added to my Allie EDVOLUTIONARY's journal. The first thing you do is click Activities, and all the activities will pop up. Here's our first activity. All the directions are listed here, and if you want to, you can listen to them read aloud to you here. I'm going to play it.
Hi Math Maker, it's Allie. Today you're going to start making the number rods. Click on the picture on the left. On page 2, you'll see what materials you will need. On page 3, you can click the link to watch the lesson video. And on page 4, it will show you what you need to submit when you're done with your work. Can't wait for you to start making your number rods. Make sure you keep all materials you make because we will use them again.
And now that I've listened to the directions, I can go up here. This where it says 1/4 means that there's 4 pages I need to see. I'm going to go ahead and click. This is the title page. It shows me something I'm going to work on today and says the number rods. This is my materials page, and there's a play button that can tell me more about my materials.
Before watching the video, gather your materials. You will need your page of number rods that has the shorter number rods, your box of crayons, a pair of scissors, and a paper clip.
When the play button appears, it means it's all done. This shows me what I need to get so I can get it before I start watching the video lesson on the next page. This tells me the list as well. I'm going to click to go on. Here's the lesson video. This blue arrow is pointing to the link I can click to watch the video. If you're watching on a computer, when you click it, it's going to bring up a different screen. You can see right here. And it'll start playing the video. I'm going to pause it. You can go right here to make it bigger. Whoa, that's so big. And then you'd hit play. There I am. Then you can click this button to exit the full screen and go back. To get back to Seesaw, you can click this link, but since you won't need this anymore, you can also click out of that. So now that I've watched the lesson video, I can click on to the next page and it'll tell me what I need to submit to my student portal journal. It says work to submit finished number rods and it has a play button, so I'm going to play it so I know what to do.
Hi Math Maker, it's Allie. After you finish making your number rods today, this page shows you what you'll want to submit to your student journal. It says work to submit finished number rods and it shows a picture of a camera, which means you need to upload a picture or take a picture of your number rods. So I took a picture of my number rods and I'm going to post it here. And then this green check shows I click the green check once I've done that. Then you're done. Can't wait to see you tomorrow.
Great! Now I'm going to move on, and I'm back to the beginning page. You can click on this gray X button to get out of it. The next place you'll go, once you've made your number rods, is add a response. And this will bring up your name. I have multiple students here, so I'm going to click my name, Allie, and it brings me to this page. And I have a few options. I'm going to click on the camera, because it shows camera, and I can upload a picture. These are a lot of the pictures I have on my computer. I haven't taken a number rods picture there, so I can't upload it. I could take a video. If you'd rather take a video of yourself showing your number rods, you can do that. That might be easiest if you're on a computer. Or you can take a photo. Here's me taking a photo. Oh, that's not a very good photo. But we shall continue anyways. Once you've uploaded your photo, you're going to click on the green checkbox. That will save it. Normally you'll have your picture of your number rods right there, like I did in my example. And now it's saved to your student journal. It'll show your name, it'll show in response to the number rods part 1, and it'll show your picture of your number rods. Then you're done. All your other activities will pop up here just like the number rods did. If you have any questions, have your parents email support@edvolutionary.org. Thanks for watching this video. Bye!